Hey guys, so I have freshly washed my hair. I haven't really done anything different. I'm still using the Maui conditioner and the Long A Naturals hair mask as well, and that's been working wonders for me. I did run out of my leave-in conditioner, so today I'm just going to take some extra virgin, why can't I say that word? Extra virgin coconut oil and kind of just lock in some of the moisture in my hair. For today's twist out, I'm going to do something different. So if you haven't watched any of my previous videos, you wouldn't know this, but if you have, you should know that I don't really, I don't really like to, it's kind of weird to say, I don't really like to comb my hair when I'm styling it. I just find that I like when my natural curl pattern kind of shows through whatever style that I am trying to do. So I just don't normally comb it. But today I'm going to do something different. I am going to comb it. I'm going to do the twist out on thoroughly detangled hair because I do want to see how the definition comes out. For those of you who wonder what I'm using, if you didn't read the title, I am going to be using Mielle Organics twisting souffle. Again, I've used that about 3 times for 3 different things, and I just like to play around with that product and see how it works on different styles. Guys, I decided to just do the back because the back is a little bit more difficult, and I'm going to work my way to the front. Like I said, I am doing flat twists. Normally when my hair was shorter, I would do flat twist forward. Kind of give myself like a little bang. But being that my hair has grown some, never mind that part, I'm going to zoom down to the side. And yeah, anyone who's not familiar with flat twists, they're pretty much similar to like a braid, but it's just a twist. And the reason that I liked flat twists sometimes is I just feel like the definition is different, and also it kind of creates that nice little curl pattern straight from your roots. So I'm going to use the Mielle Organics. Again, like I said, the twisting souffle. I use about that much. And yeah, I just work that through my hair. I don't really worry too much about the ends right now because when I get to the bottom, I am going to add more product. I detangle it from the bottom up. Pretty much detangled. I detangled this in the shower, but cold obviously. And then this is how I like to do it. So I find sometimes that it's a little bit hard to see. So I always just I'm really just grabbing the hair from the top section. That bottom piece of hair is just the previous piece. So I'm only grabbing the hair from the root on top, and then I just put that other piece under. Some people flat twist differently, but I think they all kind of give the same effect as long as it's flat. Another thing that I really like about flat twist, it's the only twist style that I wear out at my house. I like that I can pull it back into a bun or anything like that, throw a hat on it or something and be good to go. I generally am not the type of person that likes to go out of my house. Well, that's a lie. I generally don't care to, but I try not to, especially when I'm working. Not like run around with my hair looking kind of crazy with the twists. But flat twists, because they're flat and they're kind of, you know, out of the way. Let's pin this back. I could leave this in for 2 days, I could leave this in for 3 days, and it not be a problem, because it's the style in and of itself. So, same thing again with this one. I don't know, weird. So you're just going to take Again, I said it's hard because you can't see. Front section. And when you go over, you just pull that other piece underneath. Switch hands. So I have all my twists in now, and I'm going to keep this in overnight. I might keep it in for 2 nights, not really sure yet. And then I will show you what it looks like when I take it down. Hopefully it comes out pretty well. Okay guys, so this is the result of my flat twist out. As you can see, it's pretty defined. It's very, very soft. I have a little bit of frizz here and there just because of my handling and fluffing it out a little bit. Also, the weather's been weird, so. But this is the final result. I hope that you got some new tips or a new way to see how this product works, and definitely try it out. I don't know what I'm saying. For watching my video, I'll see you guys in the next one.